Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make lip and cheek tint by using only two ingredients. So the first one is petroleum jelly, or you can use any of your favorite lip balm. If you don't have petroleum jelly, you can use lip balm which is colorless. So my favorite one is Oriflame, so I'm going to use this one today, or you can use Vaseline as alternative. The second thing is any matte liquid lipstick or a matte lipstick. Why I'm using matte lipstick and not glossy one? Also, if you have any broken lipstick or any lipstick that's finished, you can just take it out using a bud, and that's it. So why I'm using a matte one is because lip and cheek tints really stay on your skin for longer periods of time, and Vaseline or lip balms are kind of greasy and oily. So if you mix any matte lipstick into it, it becomes kind of thick and less oily, less greasy, and it stays on your skin and gives a very beautiful shine as well. And it makes your skin look very plumpy and soft because of the petroleum jelly or the balm that you are using, and also gives a tint, so it gives a very delicious look. So I have added more lipstick to it. You can add as much tint as you want. So yeah, I really like pigmented tints. That's why I've added more to it. You can add any other color. I have used red because when I mix it with petroleum jelly, its color lightens when you blend it. As you can see, here I'm blending it. It is giving a darker look. It looks like, but when you are going to blend it nicely into your skin so that it stays, it will lighten and it will give a very beautiful, pretty light pinkish look. And here you can see, watch the video till the end so I will show you how it looked like on my lips. And yes, so after I applied it, I also applied it in my inner wrist, and here you can see that after I applied it, it's also giving a matte kind of look because I have used matte lipstick. And you can see that even how much I rub it, it doesn't go away. It lasts long. You can just fill it back into the same bottle of your lip balm, or you can store, if you have used Vaseline, you can store it in any container or jar that you have. So here you can see that after several hours, and even I wipe it off from tissue, it has its pinkiness still lasts.